See, this is my watch later list. Okay, this is how I find watch later. This is these three lines here. I click, you see it come down, you see your watch later list. So I click watch later list. Okay, which I am at watch later list now. This is YouTube on Chrome, and you can see I got 529 videos. How I go is I click on right, I click inspect, then you'll come to here. But when I come under here, I can't find the console because it's very limited view. So I go to the three dots here, I click, you see it has an option of dock side. I choose this one because to view that all this is at the bottom, so it won't, I'll have a full view. It goes to the bottom, like you see now, this thing shift to here. So I got to click to console. I got to click to console. Okay. Now you come to the bottom, you see this, the arrow. What I do is I go to the script, which I copy from this. Wait, I'll give the link at the bottom. Okay, I click copy. Okay, when I click copy, I'll go back to the tab because I have the tab open. I go to my watch later list. I paste it here at the bottom here. Paste. So you can see all this is the code put under console. Okay, now this is 1000, which I have tried. 1000 through a YouTube sharer. This 1000 I've tried is really slow. It become very slow. So and if I put 50 it's super fast. So what I do is somebody shared that put 200, and really when I put 200 it seems to be working fine. After I change this to 200, I click enter. Then you can see what is happening. Flickering means it is already working, but I can't see what is happening here. So I go back to here, these three, I go back to here, these three dots. I go to the dock, I click to the side, because then now you see, I can see what is happening. When I see this, you see it is deleting. Can you see the video here is reducing? You see, it's reducing. So it will continue to delete the videos under save watch later list. But after some time you stop, maybe because I put 200. So every now and then I have to refresh and do the same step over again. Copy the code here and reduce to 200. Then it will continue to work. So you see spinning means it's working. Sometimes if it's hanging here, what I do is I just go to here and I will just refresh. Okay, refresh. There no more videos here, but here still say 426. I got to figure out why, because there's some videos that is no more. Show unavailable video, so there's no more. So I will refresh again. There is like refresh again, but there's no, it says you see no videos, but see here is empty, but here still says that I have 426 videos. So I'm trying to figure out why, because show unavailable video. See, the unavailable video came out. Show unavailable video. See, all the unprivate video all came out. so I have to paste the code here again and reduce it to 100 200